Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from Robinhood wallet to Phantom wallet. So guys, follow me in this video and let's get started. First guys, what you have to do, open your Phantom wallet from here and I have this extension and click this receive. You find different coins, Solana, you have Ethereum, you have Polygon. If you want to Ethereum, just click copy address here and you can get QR code here guys. If you want to scan QR code, click your QR code from here, and after that what you have to do, open your Robinhood, click your Robinhood wallet as you can see here, and after that choose this option here, and from here what you have to do, click send this option guys. Click send, and after that what you have to do is scan your QR code here. This is QR code, and after that confirm your transaction guys, and you will send money from Robinhood to Phantom wallet easily without any problems. So guys, I hope this video for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below and comment and I will answer your question guys.